If you are new to my channel, I am Teacher Lorie. And for today's reading lesson, we will read Ed Family. Help me name the picture that you will see on the screen. Here is the first one. Bed, fed, red. Next one. Wed. And the last one is sled. Kids, can you name the picture that you will see on the screen by yourself? Okay, then do it. Here's the first one. Got it. Next one. Great job. Here's the next one. Good. Next one is very good. And the last one. Good job. Blending time. This is the part that you will listen to the first sound you hear at the beginning of each word. Okay. Remember, we will read ed. Say it again. Ed. Say it fast. Ed. Great job. Okay. Here is the first one. Bed. B. B. Good. That is letter B. B. Then let's blend the sound. B. Ed. What's the word? Bed. Next one is fed. F. 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 What letter is that? F. Great. F. F. Letter F. F. Ed. F. Ed. What is the word? Fed. Here's the third word. Red. That's letter R. Ed. Ed. The word is red. And here's the next one. Wed. 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 That's letter W. Ed. Ed. Say wed. Good. And the last one is sled. Those are two sounds. S and L. Sled. Sled. More practice using our flip book. Blend the sounds with Teacher Lorie. Ready? B, ed. B, ed. What is the word? Bed. Okay, next one. Ed. 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 What's the word? Fed. Next one. Ed. 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 What's the word? Red. Ed. Ed. And what is the word? Good. Wed. Last one. Sled. Sled. What's the word? Sled. Okay, we are in our last part. This is the part that you will practice or read by yourself. Here's the first one. Good job. Next one. Got it. And here's the next one. Awesome. Next one. Wow. And the next one and the last is sled. AWESOME. You're awesome. You're awesome.